In the early hours of August 27th, Class 4 Hurricane Laura made landfall in southwest Louisiana. Laura continued on a destructive path along the Louisiana and Texas border, leaving many communities damaged and without power. Even though many of our employees were directly impacted by the storm itself, Linetec was able to quickly mobilize our storm response teams with the goal of getting power back to these communities. We are no strangers to storm response. In 2020 alone, we have responded to 5 major storms, having sent crews to 11 different states across the country. For Hurricane Laura, we provided over 130 transmission and distribution crews and more than 700 employees. To all of our crews on the ground, thank you for your dedication and long days. Your hard work does not go unnoticed. To the families of our employees, thank you for allowing them to respond and keeping it safe at home. And finally, to the communities impacted by these storms, thank you for letting us serve you. It will be a long journey, but as a community, we will rebuild even stronger than before.